Vitalika, light the way.
All right, so you're a health service professional ready to jump into the Vitalika platform? Perfect. You're in exactly the right place. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through everything you need to know, from that very first login to getting your portal humming with activity. My goal is to get you set up and feeling confident fast. Let's do it.
Okay, so here's the game plan. It's super straightforward. First, we'll tackle those initial setup steps. Then, we'll dive into the dashboard. That's kind of your mission control. After that, we'll get your schedule locked in, talk about the money side of things, billing and getting paid, and wrap up by showing you how to keep track of all your bookings. Simple as that.
All right, let's kick things off with step 1, your first steps. Now, this part is super important. Think of it as the foundation for your entire presence on the platform. It's a one-time thing, but you gotta get it right to get your account verified and ready for business.
So, getting started is really just a simple 1, 2, 3. First up, you'll fill out your profile, all your professional details, a photo, the usual stuff. Then that goes to our team, who'll review it to make sure everything checks out. And then the final step, once you're approved, you get your Vitalika Professional Pass. We call it the VPP. That VPP is what unlocks everything else in the portal for you.
Okay, now lean in for this one, because it's a big deal. See that quote? This is probably the most important heads up I can give you. That profile setup we just talked about? You only get one shot at it. It's a one-and-done submission. So please, take a minute, double-check, triple-check every single detail before you hit that submit button. Because if you need to change anything later, you'll have to go through the support team. So let's get it right the first time, yeah?
So, I keep mentioning this VPP, right? What exactly is it? Well, the Vitalika Professional Pass is basically your golden ticket. It's your official verification, the thing that says, yep, this person is a legit professional. And once you have it, boom, it unlocks all the pages, all the settings, all the tools you need to actually configure your services and start working.
Okay, moving on to section 2, the dashboard. Now that you've got your VPT, this is where the fun really begins. The dashboard is your hub, your command center. It's where you'll bring your services to life and manage pretty much everything you do on Vitalika.
And you'll see the dashboard is split into 2 clean, simple sections. On the left, you've got the service activation panel. That's your control panel for, turning services on or off. And on the right, you've got active communities, which is just a quick snapshot of any professional groups you've already created and launched.
So let's look at that activation panel. Here, you can just flip a switch to turn on different services. You've got stuff like direct connection, which lets users contact you live. You've got options for setting fees for online sessions, at-center visits, or even at-home appointments. The key thing here is, for any service that costs money, you just punch in your fee in Toncoin, and super important, don't forget to hit save.
Now, what if you want to create a community? Well, as soon as you flick that community switch on, a whole new bunch of fields will pop up. This is where you build your group from the ground up. You'll give it a title, add a link, write a little description. You can even set a fee if it's going to be a private paid VIP group. Just fill in the blanks, pop in a cover image, save your work, and your community is off for approval. Easy peasy.
Okay, awesome. Your services are switched on. But that doesn't do much good if nobody knows when you're free, right? So the next logical step is setting your schedule. This is all done on the schedule page, and it's where you'll build out your calendar so clients can actually book you.
And we've made creating time slots ridiculously easy. Seriously, you just work your way down the form, top to bottom. Choose what kind of service it is, online, at center, whatever. Pick the date, set the start time, decide how long each appointment should be, and finally, tell the system how many of those appointments you want to create in a row. And check this out. This example shows you just how slick this is. Let's say you want to open up your whole morning for bookings. You just say, I'm starting at 8 a.m., each session is 30 minutes long, and I want 4 of them. And bam, the system instantly creates 4 separate bookable slots for you. 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9, and 9:30. No manual entry, just done. It's a huge time saver.
All right, so your services are active, your calendar has openings. Now for the part everyone loves to talk about, the money. Let's get into how you actually manage your finances, how you bill clients, and more importantly, how you get paid.
First things first, there are 2 key sections you need to know: billing and wallet. And the difference is super simple. Think of it this way. Billing is for sending invoices to your clients. That's money coming in. Wallet is where your earnings collect, and it's where you go to send money out to your own personal wallet, in and out. Got it? And sending a bill is about as easy as it gets. You literally only need 2 things. That's it.
You need your client's Telegram username, that's their unique ID, and you need the bill amount in Ton coin. You can add a little note in the description if you want, but really just those two fields are all it takes to fire off an invoice.
And you know what's even easier than sending a bill? Cashing out. Withdrawing your money is a simple two-step dance. Step 1, connect your personal Ton wallet to the portal. It's a one-time thing. Step 2, type in how much Ton you want to take out and click withdraw. That's it. Your money is on its way to you.
Okay, we're on the home stretch. Last but not least, let's look at where you can track everything. The Purchases and Bookings page is your go-to spot for a bird's eye view of all your appointments and any community subscriptions you have going on.
And what's really helpful here is how it's organized. It splits things into 2 buckets to keep you sane. First, you have pending reservations. This is for your one-off appointments that are still waiting for the client to hit confirm. As soon as they confirm the session happened, that payment gets released to your wallet. Then you have VIP community history, which is exactly what it sounds like, a nice clean list of everyone who's currently subscribed to your paid communities.
And that's the whole tour. Pretty straightforward, right? From that first-time setup all the way to cashing out your earnings, you've now seen the entire Vitalika HSP portal. Everything is designed to be as simple and as efficient as possible so you can spend less time clicking buttons and more time doing what you do best. So your portal is ready to go. The only real question left is, what are you going to do first?